Hi, this is Bruce. In today's video, we're going to unbox, assemble, and try out the Garvee 4-frame manual honey extractor. If you're a small-time backyard beekeeper like me, you need an affordable honey extractor. Today, we're going to see if this one's worth it or not. Stick with me. Hi, this is Bruce. It's another beautiful, if a little overcast and rainy day in Florida. If you're new to my channel, what I'm all about is sustainable beekeeping in Florida. And today, I'm going to be doing a review on a manual honey extractor from Garvee. Now, full disclosure, the Garvee company reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing their product and giving an honest review on it. And so I will. And so I'm going to take a look at it. I'll tell you what I like and what I don't like. All right, here we go. Okay, first is the packaging. Seems to be put together really well. It got to me in good shape. This is the extended warranty in English, and on the back you have 4 different languages. And here's the instructions. It's good English. It's pretty straightforward stuff. So there's the extractor. A little bit of assembly information. It's ridiculously easy to put together. It's just a matter of bolting on the legs and the honey gate and attaching the crank handle. And there's a little bit of troubleshooting on the back. That's pretty good. Here's the crank handle. And here is the honey gate. It's a plastic one. I kind of wish that they'd given a metal one, but it's pretty good. In the bag with the honey gate was also the bolts that go in for the legs. Pretty heavy duty. Okay. It says it weighs 15 kilograms, so that's pretty close to 30 pounds. There's the legs. Not bad. Not bad looking. Nothing else in the box. Okay. So the first impressions, look at it. You got food grade stainless steel. That white package you see inside is the clear plastic lids, or plexiglass lids, I guess. But it seems like it's really well put together. The welds are really good. Lids. Now I'm going to speed up a little bit because, you know, it's just a matter of quickly assembling it, and there's nothing to it. There's the crank handle on. Now, I did this whole thing with that one combination wrench. It's 9/16 on one side and 1/2 inch on the other side. And that took care of all the nuts and bolts on this. I will say it was probably metric, and I just didn't happen to have a metric wrench close to hand, but it got done with the 9/16. The legs have got a couple of different positions you can put them in, so you can have them lower or higher. And so here I am attaching the legs. It's a bolt, and then there's a through bolt with a dome nut on the other side. Pretty easy stuff here. This is where I discovered I put two of the legs on the wrong height. I'll fix that and get right back to you. Now I have to take off the crank handle assembly and pull the cage out so that I can install the honey gate. And that just goes to show how easy this would be to take apart to clean. And like I said, really well made inside. So I'm pretty happy with that. The installation of the honey gate is very straightforward. You pull off the plastic nut. There is a plastic washer on the inside to hopefully seal it up. And then, I just screw the nut on the inside and I put it back together. That's the same way I'll do when I clean it. It's just a couple of bolts to hold that crank assembly down and it goes right in. There's good bearings in there. Makes it turn real easy once it's back together. The lids come with this plastic film on it. It's not hard to take off, and it's clear so that once I'm cranking the head, spinning out honey, you can see right in it real well. And those lids are just set on top. That's pretty much the way most extractors are set up. Pretty good. So what is Garvee? Garvee is a budget-friendly online retailer with a wide variety of farm, home, and outdoor type products. All my experience with them has been nothing but positive. Now, my daughter Angela has helped me with a lot of honey harvest in the past, so I've asked her to come in, if you would, and see what you think of this.
Hey y'all. Oh, it's very nice. Got a great stainless steel construction, which makes it rust resistant. I think this would be great for a backyard apiary, a small beekeeper. Runs very smoothly, simple manual operation. Like you said, very affordable, easy to clean. I think it's very nice.
All right, what do you see as cons for this?
Well, one's arm can get tired, as it does. It's a little shaky.
Yeah, you could get wobbly if you don't bolt
Right.
it down to the floor, bolt it down to a
And
sheet of plywood.
I don't think it'd be ideal for a huge operation. More so better for a small backyard beekeeper.
Right, well, thank you very kindly.
You're welcome.
Okay, so in the beginning of this, I asked if this Garvee 4-frame honey extractor was worth it or not. And I say this, if you are a small-time backyard beekeeper, this is going to be about the best option for your budget, I think. It's got a lot going for it. If you are a larger operation and you have a big honey harvest, this is probably not going to be ideal. You're probably going to want to upgrade to an electric model. But I really appreciate you sticking with us this far and all the way to the end of this video. And as always, I really appreciate you. So you can help me out a lot if you give me a like and a subscribe and make some comments. I'll answer you back. But this is it for me, and I will see you on the next one. This is Bruce. I'm out.